Welcome to English Grammar Challenge. Total question 10. You have 5 seconds for each question. You can pause the video if you need more time. Let's begin the test. The book is The Desk and the Chair. A. Between. B. On. C. Under. D. Beside. Correct answer, A. Between. She has been living here. 2010. A. Since. B. For. C. From. D. In. Correct answer, A. Since. The cat is hiding. The table. A. Under. B. On. C. In. D. Between. Correct answer, A. Under. He is afraid. Spiders. A. Of. B. For. C. With. D. About. Correct answer, A. Of. I will meet you. 5 p.m. A. At. B. In. C. On. D. By. Correct answer, A. At. The books on the shelf. Dusty. A. Is. B. Are. C. Was. D. Has been. Correct answer, B. Are. Neither of the options. Correct. A. Is. B. Are. C. Be. D. Were. Correct answer, A. Is. The team. Playing well this season. A. Is. B. Are. C. Be. D. Were. Correct answer, A. Is. Everybody. Excited for the trip. A. Is. B. Are. C. Were. D. Has. Correct answer. A. Is. Each of the students. A laptop. A. Has. B. Have. C. Having. D. Had. Correct answer, A. Has.